am so excited to have my good friend Johnny Lyons here today. We are going to be talking tequila because, of course, we've got an awesome margarita party that we are working on especially for you.
Today we went shopping at the LCBO, which in Ontario, if you're in Ontario, you know that's the only place that you can buy alcohol. We did find some gems for you, so you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
Tell me what.
So first of all, I do like the Terramana. This is by Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. This is his celebrity-backed brand. Chose the Reposado in this case. Then we have two others, which this is the Elevation 1250 and the Alida, both Blancos. And I do think Blanco for margarita is the way to go.
Okay.
Except when we show you the recipe a little bit later, I'll show you when and why to use the Terramana or Reposado. These are two excellent brands. Small distillery, Tequila.
I promise we haven't had tequila yet.
Not yet. It's still, well, it says after 11, so we're good. When we did some price shopping, these were in the these are $60, $65 or so. The Patron is $90, which isn't a bad tequila, but this is so much better. So give one of these a try.
So we've got 3 tequilas here, different price points. You're going to see these again when we talk margaritas and do the full margarita party. So I just want to give you a little teaser of what's to come. We're going to do 3 different types of margaritas, right?
3 different.
3 different types. So we're thinking like around the pool, kind of blended margarita.
Yep.
A little kind of mid-range, something special for your friends, and then one that's going to blow their minds.
Yes, the Ay Caramba margarita.
Exactly. So stay tuned. The video with all those details are going to drop at the beginning of June, but we're going to be teasing you along the way with all sorts of fun margarita tips. Thanks, John.
You're welcome.
Take care.
See you soon.
See ya.